Do we need to do advanced postures in yoga? You know, this is a question that I've asked many times. I've asked my teachers, I've asked masters, I've asked friends. It was a question that was really burning for me at a certain period on my yoga journey. I think I reached a stage where I was having to do more and more things with my body, and deeper postures and handstands and lotus position with my legs in shoulder stand and all of this kind of contortionistic kind of asana practice. And I questioned it. I've always been very flexible because I was a gymnast at an early age and a dancer as well, a ballet dancer, and many different forms of dance and ice skating. So I was always using my body in crazy ways, spinning and leaping and somersaulting and all of that. So I had already done that kind of movement with my body. And I actually got into yoga because I wanted to find peace. I wanted to find joy. I wanted to heal my body from all of the crazy postures that I'd done already as a child. So for me, it came very quickly, this question, why do I need to do these advanced postures? And as ever, different teachers say different things. So I got many different answers. Oh yes, you need to do an advanced posture because, or no, you don't really need to do the advanced postures. You just need to meditate, or you need to breathe deeper, or whatever the reasoning was. Everybody thinks that they are right, obviously, and everybody is right because we're all very different. So we all need different things. So to answer the question, some people do need to do advanced postures and they are there. So some people who have that drive to explore the body, explore the physical limitations and the amazing things that the body can do. Yeah, if you're really in love with that aspect of the practice, then it's beautiful. You can stand on one hand and you can wrap your legs around the back of your head. Yes, if that really feels good and if your body is ready to do that depth of asana. And I think for the very flexible people, then they would need to do a more advanced asana, so they are challenged physically, yeah? But you don't need to do advanced postures. What is the purpose of yoga? This is what we must look into. If the purpose of yoga is to do advanced postures, then okay, do advanced postures. And that's good. There's nothing wrong with that. In fact, the deeper shapes that we make with our body can actually affect strongly the energetic body. So it can squeeze the prana through the nadis, or it can squeeze the energy through the energy channels so that the energy channels are flowing, so that the energy channels are unblocked, and that the chakras are alive and the chakras are fed with energy. So this is good. It's not a bad thing. What is not so good about advanced postures is if you have this attitude that I want to get ahead, I want to be good at yoga, and you're forcing your body to do these crazy postures. And then your body is aching and you're tired or you're drained, and you think that this is the only purpose to yoga. It's not. It's just one side. It's just the physical and energetic body, but there's so much deeper that we can go. For me, the depth in postures is how much you can see inside of yourself as you're doing that shape. And is that shape that you're making with your body, does it feel nourishing? Does it feel beneficial? Is it healing for your body to be in that shape? Or are you just hurting your body? So this for me is a much more intelligent approach. Yes, it's building kinesthetic intelligence, which is the intelligence of the body, getting us connected. It's healing, it's being kind to the body. And it's also helping us when the body is comfortable and the body feels safe, and that we can go deeper into the unexplored territory inside of us, which is like the emotional body or the mind or the deeper mind or the heart. And there's so much to say about that, but really, if you want to go deeper in asana, then I love to use the 5 bodies. I love to make sure that the physical is honored and that we're looking into the energy, pranamaya kosha, and that we're looking into manomaya kosha, the mental, emotional body. What is here right now on that level? What's going on inside of me? Am I doing a posture and I'm just constantly thinking about what I'm going to have for dinner? Or am I doing a posture and I'm like, oh, there's a thought. What am I going to have for dinner? Let's just let go of that and come back to my breath and look a little bit deeper into the silence. Let's go into the silence and stillness. What can I find there? What can I explore within me that is more subtle and not so obvious? For me, this is how to go deeper into asana. But there's nothing wrong with doing advanced postures. If you feel to bend your body in many different ways and have this incredible practice, then go for it if that's what makes you happy. But it's not necessary in order to be a very strong and devoted practitioner of yoga.